Hello, this is a quick update about what we are building at SafeDep. I'll demonstrate the backend infrastructure which we are building internally called the control tower. It is responsible for storing data from VET and performing various flexible queries, and over time it will be expanded to support remote policy management as well. Right. So let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is run a wet scan and sync the data collected by wet to control tower backend, and then we're going to execute some queries. So what's better than scanning wet using wet itself? So we run this command. Report sync enables synchronizing wet's data with control tower backend. We also need to specify the project name to associate with in the backend. Report sync project, say let's call it SafeDep vet. We'll also give a project version. Report sync project version is, let's just call it you know the branch name. Feed cloud report sync v2, right? Yeah. So yeah, let's run this scan. This is our control tower running here. Once the scan is finished, the data should be synced into the control tower backend, and then we will look into some of the cool stuff. Oops. See, there is no vulnerability here at all, so I don't think we'll be able to query by vulnerabilities, but okay, I think we can query by other attributes like licenses or maybe some dependencies and all of that. But yeah, just a quick overview of how it works. The client application is yet to be developed, so I will probably just demonstrate raw SQL queries, but it will give you an idea about the data model as well as the flexibility of the system. So let's start by, maybe we'll just first check whether the project and project version rows are created on the database. Yeah, projects, join project versions. Yes, looks good. Cool. We have a bunch of projects and project versions. Let's filter by the project name, where projects.name equal to SafeDep slash vet, and projects dot, it's not project versions dot version equal to, what did I do, feet slash, what was it, cloud report sync v2, cloud report sync v2. Cool. We have the project here. Now, what should we do? Let us list all the packages which has been identified in this particular project. Yeah. So remove the filters for now. We'll add the filters back. Join bombs. We have a bomb and bombs dot latest equal to true. Join components. So components is where the actual dependencies packages are stored. So we are kind of aligning with the CyclingDX data model, where every library, framework, or application is represented using a component. So we are going to do this. Join the components. Yes, should be good. Where projects.name equal to SafeDep and project versions dot version equal to feed slash, oh, I forgot again, cloud report sync v2, cloud report sync v2. Oops, something is not correct. From clause entry for project, missing from clause entry from projects. Okay, let's try to figure out. Select projects.name, projects.version, join project version ID, join bombs, bombs.lesson, join where, yes, typo here. Cool. So we have a bunch of stuff. Let's add that. We have project version, we have components.name, components.version. Ah, hmm. Uh, let's figure this out. Uh, what is the issue? Oh, bad. So instead of putting it into the select attributes, I have kind of polluted the join. So let's put the names here. Components dot name, components dot version. Cool. We see all the third party dependencies that is identified by scanning vet using vet. So let us go ahead also and print the licenses. So for that, we need to join with the component licenses table. Let's do that. Uh, join component licenses should be fine. Yeah. Let's add the attributes that we want to see. Component licenses dot license code. Cool. So we have this. Yeah, that's about it. I think we are working on the query engine part. Hopefully, we'll be able to offer it very soon to our design partners and supporters. You should have a very flexible query interface so that you can find exactly what you're looking for and not be limited to by the limitations of the user interface. By the way, we just revamped our website as well. So, yeah, I think it looks much better than before. We are registering interest for using the SafeDep Cloud or even self-host control tower in your own infrastructure, where you can, aggregate all data collected from vet into a single place and run powerful queries, identify policy violations, roll out policies, basically do all the everything related to identification and governance of open source risk. So if you're interested in trying out SafeDep Cloud, join the waitlist, or you can also book a demo. I will take you through what all things has been built and how we are looking at building the tools required for managing open source risks.